Hello everyone, welcome to the iMobie channel. It can be incredibly frustrating when you forget your iPhone passcode and find yourself unable to unlock your device. If you don't have Face ID enabled and can't remember the passcode, you may be wondering how to factory reset your iPhone when locked. Don't worry, I'll show you 5 methods to easily reset it. The first method allows you to factory reset your iPhone directly from the lock screen. To perform a factory reset on the lock screen, your iPhone needs to be running iOS 15.2 or a later version. Additionally, you must be logged in with your Apple ID and have a cellular data or Wi-Fi connection. If you meet these requirements, the process is straightforward. Simply continue entering the passcode until the Forgot Passcode option appears on the bottom right. Tap on it, and you'll see the iPhone Reset option. Tap on Start iPhone Reset, sign in with your Apple ID and confirm Erase iPhone, then the erase process will commence. Once completed, your iPhone will be fully factory reset. You just need to set it up step by step to gain full access to your iPhone again. It's a simple method, but it relies on your iPhone being logged in with your Apple ID. But what if your Apple ID is not logged in, or the iPhone reset option doesn't appear? Don't worry, there are other methods. The second method is to factory reset your iPhone through emergency call directly. It doesn't need computer or Apple ID password, but it is not available on all iPhone models and the success rate is random. Anyway, as a free tip, it is worth trying when your iPhone is locked. Just enter the emergency call screen and input *6803976*83011*9680*600*. After that, tap the dial button. And then input *3807380*953*80573#, and long press the dial button until the gray lock screen pops up. Input the default passcode. Your iPhone will be unlocked. But if this method is failed or your iPhone is unresponsive due to multiple incorrect passcode attempts, what can you do? In such situations, you can rely on AnyUnlock. AnyUnlock removes various passwords instantly for your iPhone without any credentials. You can find the download link in the description and download the software to your PC or Mac. First, connect your locked iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. And launch AnyUnlock. Choose Unlock Screen Passcode Mode. Then, please click Start Now button. To factory reset your locked iPhone, you need to put it into recovery mode first. The software provides a guide on the top right to help you enter recovery mode based on your iPhone model. For iPhone 7 or later models, press the power and the volume up button to turn off the iPhone. Then keep holding the buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. AnyUnlock will detect your iPhone in recovery mode. Once your iPhone is recognized by AnyUnlock successfully, the following interface is firmware download. When your device info is shown on the app, you can customize the download path, and then click the download button. After clicking the download button, the downloading process will start automatically. And it may take some time to download the firmware package, so please keep patient. After the firmware package downloading is complete, please select the Unlock Now option. Then AnyUnlock will start to remove the screen passcode automatically. Please keep your device connected to your computer via the USB cable during the unlocking process. Just in a few minutes, the screen passcode will be removed from your device. Now, you can see that my locked iPhone has been factory reset successfully. Let's set up the iPhone now. When you on the app and data page, you have the option to restore your data. If you don't need this step, you can simply skip it. As you can see, I have successfully factory reset my locked iPhone. AnyUnlock is pretty easy, just have a try. Also, there are other methods to factory reset a locked iPhone that we often use, which involve using iCloud. Once again, This method requires you to be logged into your Apple ID and have another device linked to iCloud. Go to iCloud, enter your Apple ID, and sign in. After you get inside, click on the Find My icon. Then, you will see the All Devices at the left top and select the device you want to factory reset. Click on the Erase option and follow the subsequent steps. The erase process will begin and may take some time. We will not show it in the video, you can try this by yourself. And if you prefer to use iTunes, I will also explain how to factory reset a locked iPhone using iTunes. If you want to use iTunes to factory reset your locked iPhone, you need to put it into recovery mode first. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Once iTunes detects your iPhone in recovery mode, a window will pop up. Click on Restore to download the firmware and initiate the factory reset process. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any questions.